Hey guys, Mike here. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the vlog. So today, gonna help Dad put the transmission in Stubby. I know it's taken a while, but you know what? We're not in a hurry. You know, it'll happen when it happens. And I got some help here. Look at this. My youngest son, Tucker, is helping. I know. I asked if any of my kids would like to earn some extra money, and Tucker was like, you know what? I think I would. So yeah, he's gonna help me cleaning up the interior panels so we can spray paint them and you know, clean them up because we're getting close to putting the interior in too.
And Dad's got the backhoe set up. We got the doors open because,
well, it's a nice day out. It's actually like 14 degrees Celsius. It's warm. Crazy for this time of year, but
yeah, we're gonna use the backhoe. Got the transmission there. Dad got the transmission all painted up. Got the inside of the frame ready to go. So now we just have to,
you know, skid it and get it over there. So that's what we're gonna do. Gonna get the transmission. And I can't remember in the last vlog if I showed it or not, but
yeah, I ended up using a wire wheel, and look at that.
All ready to go. Looks good. Gotta sweep the floor though. So
got some little bit of sanding to do
there. So maybe I can get that done later today. If not, we'll get it another day. But right now,
let's get this tranny in. Transmissione. We'll get the sucker running in no time.
So what are your thoughts? Kind of skid it into place with the chain and then use the come along, or?
Well, we got the chain on the front and we'll pull it into place, and then we got to put the come along on the back to pick it up. Yeah. So it's level. Remember how we took it out?
Yeah.
But we'll skid it into place, and then the come along will have to be on the back of the cross member, and then the chain on the front, and then we can level it up and slide it in, I think, he said. Thinking something else.
Well, we'll just see how it goes. I'll put this on the table.
Yep.
The
Here.
plate.
Wow. Wherever. I just put that there so.
get a step. Okay guys, we're close, but we're too high at the back and not high enough at the front, so. And yeah, but it started. We just got a little bit to go.
Okay.
I should almost grab my come along to lift on the front
Yeah, we could do that.
to get a little more. And I wonder if I could.
Remember those top bolts on the right-hand side aren't very good. Here, I'll see if I can get one down here.
Oh.
Smell it. I gotta turn it.
I should almost try spinning this in.
You need to go up on the front. Yeah, it's just got to go up just probably a little bit. I can almost get it in. It seems to be getting in closer. Just wigglish. Oh, okay.
Not there. Oh gosh. Was it in?
Remember, we're just going to quickly put the transmission in.
Well, it's always this last little bit that.
Yeah. Well, it's getting it into the pilot bearing.
Yeah.
Just wiggle it back and forth. So.
Well, you know what we didn't do? We didn't stick a shaft in to begin with to make sure the clutch was all lined up.
Well, we just pulled the transmission out,
True.
so it shouldn't have been not lined up.
So I've got 2 bolts holding it.
Well, maybe I should stick this in the bottom.
And we're only, well, up top it's like 1/2, 3/4 of an inch now.
Yeah,
It's close.
yeah.
But you know what they say, close only counts in horseshoes and hand grenades. We don't have a hand grenade, we're not playing horseshoes. But I think we're gonna let the back go down and move it and set up the jack on the back, because the transmission's not gonna fall down on the front because it's in the clutch. But the
I'll see if I
backhoe's
can get
kind
this
of in the way. Well, we got it. Was it easy? No. We pulled the backhoe out. I didn't record because it was, anyways, you know, heavy duty working going on. Ended up, I put a bottle jack under the back to get it squared up, and we had some bolts started, so then I basically just jacked it up and worked it a little bit. And then the end of the transmission went into the throat bear or whatever, and it's in there now. So now we just need to put the PTO cover plate on the bottom, with gasket. Put a loop in the transmission cooler line, and yeah, hook up the shifter, hook up the air lines, reconfigure the splitter to be for an 18 speed rather than a 13 speed. And then we can put the battery box back down, and then we just have to build a drive shaft. And I have a sneaking suspicion that we're gonna have to put in a steady bearing.
I don't.
Dad doesn't, but we're gonna measure it up and see. Hopefully not.
Just out of curiosity, that yoke has to be tightened up in it.
Take my safety chain off.
If you got the wrong way.
You think I don't think the chain will go through that. Or no, it won't.
Okay.
It's just this. Of course, it's a stretched chain and it's...
Might go through now.
There we go.
Put it at the center of the yoke.
No, the top one.
Oh, it don't matter. Top to top. It has to be 73 inches overall.
73 inches overall. I think that's right on the cusp.
Yeah.
Wonder how long the drive line is for in K2. If it's 73 inches.
It's got a steady bearing.
Oh.
So see, there is right tight at 22. So it has to go to 22 to 73 is
It's 51.
yeah. And that's what it was stretched, 51.
Yeah.
So we have to add 51 inches to that. What they'll do is they'll cut this tube out
Yep.
and put a longer tube in.
They'll tube it.
Mm-hmm.
D-tube
Then
it.
we need two 1810
U-joints.
U-joints.
Yeah, last weekend project before we go to the Mid-America Truck Show. So we will be there. If you're going to be there, you could come find us. Not sure where I'm going to be. I'm going to be in the W-Star wheel booth, but I'll announce what times. Once I talk to Jean and come up with a plan, man. We're kind of winging it, you know, because I don't know. I don't know if anybody wants to meet me, but if you do, I'd be more than happy to see you. And the other thing I'm going to do is I might bring some magnets and maybe some key tags. You know, you want a key tag? Maybe I'll have some. So, but yeah. Anyways, I'm gonna jump up and put some more bolts in this thing. Okay. We'll get down in here. So we just put some temporary bolts in here with some spaced out washers because we broke a couple bolts off. Yeah, taking them out. So, and you can see the bell housing has a little crack right there.
That's what that plate's on top
But
for.
that's what Dad welded this on for. Call it a brace plate, a torque brace plate. But anyways, let's put this in. For the clutch linkage.
And I even put the wrench there.
The spring looks like it's a little bit,
It got bent.
yeah. I might have another big spring, or maybe we can bend it. But There we go. Another task done. So are you done?
No.
No? It's not done. It's been doing this for like a couple hours. But you know, help is help. It's getting there. Well, it's actually kind of sanding it down. Maybe I should just get him the sander and he could just give it a scuff. That might be a better idea. But it's looking better. We're getting there. So maybe I should give you the sander and a mask and you can just...
Probably go by a bit faster.
Yeah. Might be the thing to do. Because I'm going to have to paint it anyways. And then I'll get these heat cracks out. But anyways, guys, that's it for this episode. We'll see you in the next one. Coming from Mid-America. Yeah. In Louisville, Kentucky. Or no, Louisville. Yeah, it's Kentucky. Okay. Yeah, we'll see you there.